Okay, today we're gonna bring you this beautiful green umbrella. Ooh, it has solar panel right here on the top for the light, and it has instructions. So let's go ahead and see the instruction. Okay, so we place our long stick into our umbrella. Here's where it clicks. We're gonna go ahead and place it into our umbrella stand. So underneath here, we have a little crank. And right here on the side, it has a button. So you can do it sideways. So it could cover your sunlight from that side. There's a way to open and there's a way to close. So close is going forward, opening is backward. And it has the ties here, so you can go ahead and tie it up when to put it away. So we have our lights on. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, right here on the side, there's a little button right here. There's your on and off button. Look how beautiful these lights look. Ready for the summer. All right, here we go. We have our solar umbrella for a nighttime sitting and relaxing and enjoying the backyard. If you want to do those summer cookout, you have light to cook with.